Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram movie sound problem. To know how to fix or how to solve Telegram movie sound problem, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Telegram and you will enter here. Then in this page, you will go to click first stop. After that, you will enter to storage. When you will end this, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click manage storage. And when you will end all this, you can turn off. When you will end all this here, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.